Here we are in the office at our home. All of these works have been generated from here, but there's a powerful link of all of those works with the communities. What I want to do is to encourage emergent researchers, find your way around this and find people that will support you. And I think that's an important thing for me to say. Every place where I went, there were people that said, ka pai, mahia te mai. Ka pai, whakatipu tia tātou. O ka pai, honua. Mohi ona tātou ko tō tātou reo. Engari ko tētahi atu taonga nui kai waina nui a tātou ko te rangahau. Me whakatipu kaha nā mahi rangahau ki waina nui tēnā whakatipu ranga, tēnā whakatipu ranga. Haere ake nei nā rā. See, I spent 28 years at Massey University. Ahorangi Hina Roa Smith said to me, hey, they're still talking about you at Massey. I said, gee, haven't they run out of things to say? But that's it. Okay. The key is care about people.
Thank you.
No worries. And prepare something that will serve their communities. That's what the real part is of what I do. He arahi te kōrero, he arahi te whakamārama, he arahi te whakatako te kōrero, me te kōrero tu. Nā koe nei te mahi o te kaupapa o te reo rangahau.